starting, we will be upgrading our sprinter horn. This one sounds like
the Roadrunner.
you do.
Right? The Roadrunner on Here, you want to hear? We'll let you hear. It's very embarrassing.
Yeah, it's very embarrassing. I really don't like it. It's loud.
Yeah, but it sounds embarrassing.
Yeah.
Like, if someone was talking to me with that, I wouldn't even care to look.
Yeah.
So, let's fix this.
Today we have
This. It is the PIAA Super Bass horns mounted on the. We went with VanUp bracket. The reason why I went with this was because it was the fastest to ship here, but that was like 4 months ago.
a while ago.
This thing's been on the shelf for a while. We never had time to actually put it on the other van.
Yeah.
So it's going on this van. It actually works with the 2019 up, even the new 23, 24s. It'll work also. So this is the bracket. It was very inexpensive. I think the whole kit already done. Wiring harness. I mean, they've done everything for you, so you don't just buy the horns and then buy a bracket and then you got to sit here, wire everything up, and do a little bit of soldering. I mean, it's not hard, but it's so much easier when it's done.
So it's just plug and play.
It's plug and play. I mean, literally like 10-minute install and you're done.
Mm-hmm.
I think I paid $100 or $110 shipped to the door for everything. So at that price, you might as well let them do it.
So this should sound like a monster.
It's supposed to.
I mean, look at how. I mean, it's dirty, granted, but the way that it looks, just very mean and aggressive. But that little, it's not gonna do.
Yeah, that sound. It sounds like the Roadrunner on Looney Tunes.
Yeah.
Like meet.
Meet.
See, if I hear that, like I said, I would not even turn around and look in my mirror. I'd just be laughing.
Yeah.
So let's fix this problem. Very inexpensive. Let's start this deal.
Yeah. I think there's only just a few screws here.
Yeah, it's got like 3 screws. I think they're T20s, I think, 25s. I'll let you know down in the comments somewhere or through the description. And then there's about 6 clips around it, and the whole grill come out. Mm-hmm. After that, you got two bolts to come out, slide it in, plug the harness in the old place, and you're set. I mean, it's simple as that.
Yeah.
So you ready? We get started? First things first. Can't get our hands dirty. Okay, so there's 3 T25 bolts right there. Real easy and simple.
Can you see the clamps? Are they clips?
2 clips on the side here.
Mm-hmm. I don't know, guys. What did you guys think about the chrome on the grill? I'm not sure if I like it so much.
That one.
Alright guys, so our grill, there's a front camera there, so let me show you guys how to pull it out, right?
Right here, after the 6 clips, you just got to just press the clip, pop that out, and completely remove the grill. So let me show you the back here, where you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 main clips, and I'll pop this grill in. All right, I'm done with this. Let's put this aside. Okay, ready?
Mm-hmm.
So what we need to do is, there's this camera bracket here. We need to just take these 2 bolts out with the same thing with T25. We're gonna slide the bracket up behind that. And I've noticed this here. It's a temperature sensor that was out.
Is this supposed to be out?
It goes in here first. And then possibly, I think why we're having issues with the cruise control, this camera's out of calibration. I think when they pulled the grill off to paint it, they put it back on the camera. That's why we've never been able to set cruise control. It keeps on airing out. Okay, you ready? So right now, let me see if this bracket reaches. Okay, so we are in luck. The other brand, their bracket doesn't reach. The holes are not long enough.
Mm-hmm.
So you'd have to flip it backwards. But in this situation, this one, it fits.
Perfect.
Yeah, even on the new chassis.
Mm-hmm.
So this is very easy to install. Like I said, it's already done for you. Just slide this back up here. Tighten these up. Okay. All right. So what we want to do next is pop this harness off here. Never see it. Can you see it? Yeah, I just can't see what you're on. Yeah, this, you press on it, just from here, it becomes right there. But you can't, there's a little clip to it, push. How does like this?
So we were just supposed to pull that harness out, but it's flipped, so we can't get to the backside to pull it. So we're going to go ahead and just remove the horn so we can get to it.
Cool. As long as it fell out, we're good.
That clip,
There.
guys.
See, it's backwards and I couldn't get to it.
Yeah, it was tucked in like that way, so we couldn't get it.
So that can stay there. Sometimes it's hard to get some of these bolts back in with it falling off your tool. Just get a little piece of masking tape. Place it like that. It holds a bolt in, and you'll be able to put it through a hole and get this thing back in. That's it. Tighten it up. What's that? Okay, horn's back in place. You want to do the honors and plug it in?
Sure. So now all we do is grab this and just plug it in.
There, you hear the click. It's locked in. Tight.
Mm-hmm.
All right, it's not going nowhere. So, you want to put the grill on? Or you want to hear this thing?
Let's hear it first.
Okay, you guys ready? How's that sound?
It's loud.
Is it?
Here, let me go.
Wow. Oh, there we go. That there is what this van should sound like when it comes up behind you.
I like it. It was so loud.
Tie some of these real fast. Move it out of the way, and
That's
bolt
it.
everything back in.
So now I'm just zip tying the wires back there so it doesn't move around.
That's it. One zip tie. Nothing's moving anymore. Everything's tight.
Mm-hmm.
Ready to go ahead and reinstall the grill. Okay. Doing this is just the reverse. Go ahead. First thing we do is plug the camera back in.
And then just screw everything back in.
That's it. You're all done. Give it a little quick shake. That's it. Now maybe shut the hood up. And we're ready to go.
Yeah, I could do that.
I can hear it all the way through the van, so that's how it should sound.
Yeah.
All right, guys.
Sounds mean.
That's
Move.
it. Now move out of my way now. All right. Finally got something done. So, I think our next job on this, I'm gonna black this out. Maybe tomorrow. Look.
Oh. Wow.
So we'll go put our magic onto
It
this.
looks like this looks like a tray for chips and whips.
An ashtray too.
Yeah, an ashtray.
An old ashtray. But there we go.
Nice.
Okay. Well, that's it.
Alright guys, well that is all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed our little tutorial. This is going to be so fun down the road. When someone gets in our way, move!
I know. Finally. Just many months later.
Yeah.
Should have done a long time
Yeah.
ago. Okay.
Alright guys, be sure to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and we'll see you next time. Bye!